We just finished our meeting and things again are on schedule. And really primarily the difference between this week and last week is they've laid a lot more brick and mason, and the curb is now up, so you can get a nice sense of what the road will look like.
Make sure you look up. Oh, wow!
Oh my goodness.
That's awesome.
Oh, these are lovely.
Are they pretty?
They are lovely.
Doesn't that look cool?
And we're actually going to be working our way towards the tennis courts. Oh, they've got the little porch thing there too. This is going to be really cute. You can see the curbing that was poured, and that goes all the way around. So you can see the layout. So I'm looking to the east, towards the softball, baseball diamonds, and the football field is
Flashing up on the windows.
yeah, got clean out and still flashing on the windows. That's
So
beautiful to trim. Now let's go take a look at these tennis courts.
You know what this is? This is a laser screen. It's a laser screen. See this thing on the legs over here? See that laser on that tripod? Okay, that laser is talking to these poles up here on the leg. Yeah. That laser talks to this, and it adjusts this thing up and down so that I get a flat, smooth top. This red stuff you're looking at, these are the cables. What's actually holding the slab together are these cables. They're putting the bulkhead up. Putting the bulkhead up so they can, where they've been driving the laser screen in and out, they're putting the bulkhead in here, and then they can finish off this corner.
We are looking at the softball diamond, and look at all the cement work. Getting ready for the grandstands here. And
dugouts, backstops.
yeah, nice dugouts and backstops, and the scoreboard area over there.
Batting cages, pitchers areas.
Here's the baseball diamond area. And what's going to be lovely is we're going to have the concession stands just right here in the bathrooms. So a central location that everybody can use.
I love having the curb and gutter in. It gives you the sense of it's getting laid out, and you can kind of sense where everything's going to be really specifically.
And that's the end of our construction update.